blizzard warning. It is Dairy Queen's 80th birthday, and for their birthday, they're giving a gift to you. It's been a rough week. You've gone through some stuff. You deserve some nearly free, almost free ice cream. They're doing for their 80th a buy one get one 80 cents on all of their blizzards. Who doesn't love a soft serve ice cream wrapped in candy or fruit or whatever they have? This month it's mint Oreo if you want that. I'll definitely be taking advantage of this at some point, and if you want to do a nice thing for someone else, this is an easy way to do it. You're only 80 cents down. Regardless of whether you get ice cream today or before the promotion ends on the 15th of March, I hope that you have a great rest of your Thursday, and make sure to find the yang every day. Bye.